should do something nice for myself. I've been neglecting my journal. I really should take some time to update it.
It's still there. There's nothing to worry about. It hasn't moved since you've left it there. Stop worrying over nothing. What good will that do? Always overthinking.
There you are. I knew I would find...
You lost your field journal. Don't you remember?
That's fine. I'll fill it up soon enough.
You had to get a new one. How could you forget? Howdy jeered at you about it. Then, you didn't touch it. Are we too ashamed to look at blank pages? A reminder of all that hard work down the drain. No memory of that butterfly you saw either. Why can't you remember anything?
Water. I just need water.
Idiot. Abandoning the journal again? It's for the best. You'll probably lose this one before you can put anything worthwhile inside. It's not like anyone's going to read it. It'll be forgotten in a box somewhere. Then when you're gone, it'll be thrown away too. What a waste.
Forget it. I need to clear my head.
Why won't you open? Why won't you open? What's going on? What's wrong with me? This is probably one of Barnaby's idiotic pranks. That inconsiderate dog. He's got nothing better to do than to come into my house and... Did he come into the house? Is that why my faucet won't run? What else has he done? Did he go through my things? Did he... No, he didn't. You saw it right where you left it. It hasn't moved. No one's touched it. No one's going to find it. You can't remember that either. Why is this so difficult for you? You can't even keep your head on straight. How is Julie supposed to rely on you? How is anyone supposed to? Why does this even matter so damn much? Is it really worth Julie's time if it brings her to tears? To hide? It's good we uprooted it. Why doesn't she see that? I know exactly how they would look at her. Well, I say, so what if it didn't bloom? Maybe it didn't need to. Will the neighborhood really suffer if it's one less gaudy flower that keeps one less smiling face? Like we have nothing better to do than come into my house and... I need to get out of this stupid house.